Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you my easy, affordable eyebrow tutorial. Basically how I take my brows from this to this. So stay tuned. You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beauty. Is there's no more missing someone and missing someone. Let's just jump right into this video. First things first, clean oil-free brows. So for this step I use my micellar water and a cotton pad to thoroughly clean my brows of excess oils and makeup residue that I might have had from the previous day. This step is actually really necessary because we don't want any shiny brows in 2020. The next step is taming those brows with a brow spoolie. You can actually use any brow spoolie of your choice. This is just the one that I had lying around, so yeah. I use this to brush my brows into place and then I set it with my RCMA no color powder. So you can actually use any translucent powder that you own. This is just the one that I love to use. This is just like the powder before foundation step and it helps you to control oils. It also helps to control oil production in and around your brows to help ensure that your brows last as long as you need it to last. It also ensures that the brow product that you're about to apply glides on really smoothly. Then I'll be taking my two favorite pencils from Evita Joseph and it's her Expert Brow Liner pencils in the shade Rich Espresso and Midnight Drop. These pencils are really inexpensive and I got one for I think 40 Ghana cedis, which is actually less than $10. So $10 for a matte finish, waterproof, long-lasting brow pencil. I think that's a steal. So yeah, I love using Midnight Drop to outline my brow. And then I use Rich Espresso to draw hair-like strokes into my brows to fill them in really nicely. And these brow pencils have lasted me so long. If you like to try them out, you can order them off of the Evita Joseph website. I'll leave a link down below. This video is not sponsored, guys, I promise. It's just a really good product and I would really highly recommend that you try it out if you get the chance. Mirror, mirror, oh, you're so unfair to all of the beautiful ones. No wonder why there's no mirrors on these. I like to go back and forth with my brow spoolie to remove any harsh lines, to make my brows look even more natural. And trust me, this does not have to be perfect. We are going to go in with concealer to conceal all our mistakes and imperfections. A tip that I like to share with you guys is to make sure that you're doing both brows together so you can make sure that you are at least getting them to look like sisters. Myself ain't never talked to me like that before. No. And I wonder what on earth is he searching for. No wonder why there's no mirrors on these walls no more. You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beautiful. Scared of the good more than the evil. Scared of the light more than the dark. Scared of the truth so much more than the lie. I'm scared for it. I'm scared. So once I'm done, I'll be taking my firm angled brush from Evita Joseph. Using this angled brush to conceal my brows has really stepped up my brow game. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but you can also try any other concealer that you own. This is just to conceal our mistakes. And also, if you have any new growth after grooming your brows, this really helps out to give an illusion of those perfectly sculpted brows. Remember to check out my Instagram at terry.berry.
Talk to me like that before, and I wonder what on earth is he searching for. No wonder why.
Using my deluxe crease brush from Real Techniques, I'm going to blend out that concealer as much as I possibly can. Guys, nobody rocks halo brows anymore. Blend until your heart is content, and even when you feel like you've blended enough, blend a little more. So for the top parts of my brows, I'm going to be using my foundation of the day, but I usually love to use a full coverage foundation for this step, and today I'll be using my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Canu 150. As you can see, I'm really taking my time with this step. What's the rush? Remember that the first thing that anybody sees when they look at your face is your brows, believe it or not. If you've been watching my video for this long, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. Also, like this video if it was helpful to you, and share it with a friend you know needs this. Just share the love, guys.
You can't tell me why you're so terrified of beautiful. Scared of the good more than the evil. Scared of the light more than the dark. Scared of the truth so much more than the lie. I'm scared for me. I'm scared of me. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror on yourself.
There are a lot of difficult things in life, but your brow routine should not be one of those things. With practice, this process will take you less than 5 to 10 minutes a day. So just keep trying and you eventually get it. So once I'm done, I'm going to set the concealed parts of my brows with some setting powder.
Talk to me like that before, and I wonder what on earth is he searching for. No wonder why there's no.
And yeah, you're done. This is the final results of my brow transformation, and yeah, let me know guys if you enjoyed my eyebrow tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye guys.
Scared of the truth so much more than the lie. I'm scared for me. I'm scared of me. Mirror, mirror